Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita, and on my channel it's about my journey to becoming debt free, cash stuffing videos, and also my budget for the month. If that sounds like something you'll be interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you find yourself enjoying today's video, then give it a thumbs up. But in today's video, I am going to be updating my budget, my debt tracker for the month of February. So you guys, I have been messing up royally. It's been a crazy month. It's been a crazy month. So capital one, you guys, just I put it back in my wallet. I can't even remember why I put it back in my wallet, but you know, shouldn't have did that. But I did, and now this balance has gone up. So it's just a hot mess. I'm gonna leave this blank until I close out my debt tracker for the month. Even though today's the 25th, I probably won't close it out until this upcoming weekend, simply because I'm gonna try to do Instacart tomorrow, and whatever I make from Instacart, I'm gonna just put towards my Capital One. It's a hot mess, you guys, a hot mess. But Access One, I did add some more bills to this account, so therefore this balance is going to go up as well. But the minimum payment was $227, and I paid $227. Gap was $7,831. Minimum payment due was $266. I paid $266. Student loans, don't do anything with that. UMC starting balance was $57,338. I paid $100. Minimum payment was $100, and I paid $100. AMR starting balance was $714. Minimum payment $56. Amount paid was $56. Excuse me, was $56. All right, so that is about it for this month so far. Again, I probably won't close it out until next week, which will basically be March. But still, I want to actually give myself a chance to put a little more money towards Capital One, since I've been shopping like I got a black card or something. What is it? The black credit card? Isn't that what it's called, or something like that? I mean, I got a black card, but but you guys, I am thinking about posting videos about budget shopping for like groceries and things, and then also budget meals. If that sounds like something you'll be interested, let me know in the comments down below. But this bracelet, you guys, I love this bracelet. My friend got it for me, but let me take it off real quick because it's making so much noise. All right. All right, so if you guys enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Bye.